What's good, YouTube? This is ZOE. Today we're gonna make a reaction video. Today we're gonna do something. We're gonna do something different today. We're gonna make a music reaction video of Lee Master doing it big. This music is very inspiring, you know, keep you going. So we're gonna get to this video. We're gonna get to it. Let's get to it.
It's Mr. International, big Haitian Canadian in the building. We doing it big if you're not doing it big. I don't know what you're doing. You know what I mean? Doing it big, knowing you're around it. Niggas be mad when they see you win, that shit is childish. I can run me up, protect them from the mud. Come from the bottom, so I had to level up. Doing it big, yeah, we doing it big. Doing it big, doing it big. I can run me up, protect them from the mud. Come from the bottom, so I had to level up. Self-made, don't ask nobody for favors, all facts. Been writing since age 10, like fun when I'm aging. Got the torches blazing, walk a trail of greatness. From ashy to A-list, see the future like a voodoo bridge. All I do is foresee when it's beat. Bruises on bruises on bruises. You know my story is deep, but I'm too pro to be weak. Yes, I prefer to compete. Yeah, a beast was unleashed when both of my parents deceased. Guess what now? I got the juice. I ain't worried, I'm just serving my purpose. I ain't perfect, but I'm worthy, yeah. I ain't worried, I'm just serving my purpose. I ain't perfect, but I'm worthy, yeah. Doing it big, knowing you're around it. Niggas be mad when they see you win, that shit is childish. Had to run me up, protect them from the mud. Come from the bottom, so I had to level up. Doing it big, yeah, we doing it big. Doing it big, doing it big. Had to run me up, protect them from the mud. Come from the bottom, so I had to level up. I'm focused, I'm grinding. Don't try to fuck up my mood. You want some likes, you a fool.
Yeah.
I want the crib with the pool. I'm trying to build me a school. You trying to play by the rules. Well, fuck it, I'm piling. It's my destiny, how can I lose? But it's deeper than chips and endorsements. Deeper than phantoms and Porsches. It's about painting this fortress that will get hope to the hopeless. Just trying to push all these hustlers to get up, get out, get it, flip it. All my niggas on a mission. All my ladies stacking riches. You got a condo, go get the mansion now. You got a Bentley, then go get the Phantom now. You used to gossip, you minding your business now. You needed a job, but you own a business now, yeah. Doing it big, knowing you're around it. Niggas be mad when they see you win, that shit is childish. Had to run me up, protect them from the mud. Come from the bottom, so I had to level up. Doing it big.
That's the end of the video. Subscribe my channel, you feel me? Hit the thumbs up, you feel me? I'm gonna put the link on my description below so y'all can go listen to his music. His music fire, man. Go show some support, you feel me? Alright, I'll see y'all next time.